Got quite the surprise over at Grandma's house last night. It was blowing winds about 35 miles an hour. And this is the result. Right on top of the house. Vinny's cottage was okay. Thank God nobody's cars were here. This is crazy. This thing is big. Look at that. That's quite the root section there.
This thing has sunk down more on the house since last night. That came up about a foot. That is this piece over here. You tell where that came up right there. Was bleeding, wasn't like that. Let's see.
Getting pretty sketchy.
Look at that right there. That's.
It's always something. Right into the house.
I wonder how
I don't know, but it's a big ass tree. I know that.
One side to the other. See, someone was asking me, and I said, I don't know. I don't think we have no saw that you could get through this. We can do 2 cuts minimum. I don't know if you can do 2 cuts.
Yeah. In the cut, working on this video about the storms, and it's getting stormy. The lightning and thunder's coming, and the rain is coming. Like it blew so goddamn hard it ripped the dish off of my house.
Sounds like neighbors are putting up the fence too.
Alright, we're in the man cave, day after a storm. Shit has went down everywhere. It's been crazy weather here in Sac. Pretty nice out here today, but last night was like 40-mile-an-hour winds. I guess over at my parents' house, they lost their fence. So, we're gonna go see what happened. We're gonna go for a little drive over to my parents' house, check everything out along the way, see what this storm did. There we go. There's a down fence right there. Look at all these people picking up tons of palm tree leaves. Shit is just, shit blew hard last night, man. Like 40-mile-an-hour winds here in the city, and out there, Alberta, at the shops, like 65-mile-an-hour winds. Jeez, look at that one. That's a big old tree fell down there. Woo-wee! See what I'm talking about? It's no joke. These people, all their garbage cans got blown over. Got a tree branch. Yeah, that's a big old one on the house. It just goes on and on. There's more around here all over the place. Trees and branches all over. Check this out. This guy did a badass mural here. The whole wall. Good Samaritans cleaning up the streets. Coming up on the parents' house. My parents' fence, it blows down every year during a storm. It's 25 years old now. Of course it's gonna fall down. We've been patching it together here and there. Doesn't look the best. I don't think it's gonna look too good now though. pretty bad there. Oh man, we got a lot of work to do, I know that. That shit is knocked down everywhere. Like, what the hell? Wow, we got a lot of work to do, I'll tell you that much. God damn. I pull on their street and the street sign is down. That is crazy. What the hell's going on over here? Oh. Dad's racing on with his next race.
Dad's holding on pivot, and so it's all right. Doctor said these are okay.
Apparently the power's out over here still. Going to the backyard. This shit is tore up out here. There's a tree fell. Knocked over this fence. Knocked down. And this whole fence got knocked down. Like, what the hell? Oh, jeez. Oh man, got a lot of work to do. Yeah. Coming up on the quad. I wonder if this baby's got a battery still. Nope, there's a doorknob. Needs a little tinkering. Out to the property, and a little bit of flood action here. Oh man. Dude, that's crazy. Arrived at the property. Let's assess the damages. Woo! There's a puddle over there. God damn. That storm was no joke, and there's more to come. Take a little walk around past the trailer here. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys recall, but I was just driving in that like 2 days ago. That is gonna be a perfect place to test out the 4-wheel on the Chevy. It's been raining and sunny. We've got a rainbow. Working on a little double. I don't know if we're gonna get two, but we got a rainbow. Beautiful out here.